New Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra renders have shown off what the upcoming flagship phone could look like with its rumored new rear camera design and S Pen support. Produced by Giuseppe Snow, Ryan Spinelli and Let's Go Digital, these renders not only show off the evolution of the Galaxy S21's design over the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but also a quartet of colors it could come in: bronze, black, gray and a striking purple blue. However, the most noticeable feature in the renders is the presence of the S Pen. A slew of rumors have claimed the S21 Ultra will be compatible with a stylus, with the Galaxy S21 Ultra tipped to have a 6.8-inch QHD 120Hz display with an LTPO panel. It could basically have the same screen as the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which would mean an S Pen for the S21 Ultra would make sense. An S Pen would allow for digital note-taking, more precise control over the phone, and access to a variety of smart S Pen features, such as remote camera activation, for what's set to be the largest handset in the Galaxy S21 series. An S Pen in the Galaxy S21 Ultra would be a first for the Galaxy S series phones, as the smartphone version of the S Pen has so far been limited to Galaxy Note handsets. However, as Galaxy S series phones get larger screens and more capable, the gap between them and the Note lineup has narrowed, so there's some logic in almost merging the two. There's even some thinking that Samsung could scrap the Galaxy Note series, with the Galaxy foldable phones being the new has-everything range of phones. With the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 also expected to have S Pen support, the twilight of the Note series could be very much be on the horizon. But there are some catches to adding an S Pen into the Galaxy S21 series. First off, only the Ultra, not the Galaxy S21 Plus nor the basic S21 is set to be S Pen compatible. That means users will likely have to spend around $1,300 just to buy the phone. That's based on the price of the $1,400 Galaxy S20 Ultra, combined with the rumor the Samsung will be dropping its prices a little for equivalent S21 models. Furthermore, the S Pen is not thought to come as standard, as it does on the Galaxy Note phones. Even when bought as an accessory, it reportedly won't have a storage port built into the phone, although there are apparently Samsung-made S21 Ultra cases that will offer a slot to keep the S Pen. There's more to the S21 Ultra than just a stylus compatibility though. It's set to also feature a Snapdragon 888 chipset or Exynos 2100 outside the US. If you're interested in the colors that Snow Ryan has used in his renders, then you may be in for a wait. It's believed that at launch, the S21 Ultra will be available in Phantom Black and Phantom Silver. The colors of the phones in these designs are Phantom Brown and Phantom Blue, which are allegedly also going to be available, but only 3 months after launch in April 2021. Samsung often releases new colors for its flagships after launch, so it's not unsurprising to hear it'll do this with the Galaxy S21 range as well. The launch day for the S21 series is thought to be January 14, 2021. That's less than a month away, so we'll soon be able to see how accurate these renders, and all the other leaks we've covered, represent Samsung's actual product.